Okay, our next task is removing all the chrome pieces, getting the fog lights out, and this is the lower grill, 4 bolts in there, and pulling out this wiring harness here for the fog lights. Then we'll be ready for reassembly into the new bumper, and we'll start putting her back together. So alright, so for the front lower grill, there's snap clips along the bottom, 2 screws, 10 mils here, 3 Phillips, one there, and one there, and then it looks like part of it is still hooked in through these clips here. So you have to get these to release. I'm going to have to experiment with that and figure out how they come apart. I don't want to break the clips, I just want to get them to release. Breaking the clips would not be an option I want to go with. Anyways, we'll get that apart. Then our chrome pieces, we have to get them all pushed off. Again, they clip in some cases and hold in others, so I'll try to show you how those come. We'll take these lights out. These apparently these with a little bit of a twist and a pull kind of sort of pop out. If I can show you here, there. So kind of a rectangular shape. When you twist them around in the hole, all of a sudden they pop themselves out. So I'll do that the rest of the way across. Those little white ones, don't cut them, they're not zip ties. They're actually these little things, and they actually have their own little socket. So they actually clip in and sit there, not actually zip tie. I mean, they are a zip tie, but you don't have to destroy them. You can unclip them. Save yourself the grief of trying to find new ones. That's the last of it. Oops. So as I was saying, popping through there are all these little bladed clips here. They pop in. There's some way back sitting here too. So you have to do is on the bumper side, if you can, you pry them up with a where they hook on with a flathead screwdriver, and then you get to push them back so that they pop out. Because they're plastic, even if you were reusing the bumper, you can probably push most of them back down and get them to snap back in again. So appears to be 3 Phillips holding the fog lights in, or stars, or whatever you want to call them. Sorry about my arm. On it. we've removed the clips. As I say, you've got to watch because they're through these little clips here, straight clips here, and then down in here as well. Very hidden. There's also a few hidden screws in there. I don't know if I've gotten them all out, to be honest. That one there will not come out. Those two, I'm going to have to get them out later somehow. Same with this corner one here. They did come out on this one that was actually still here, so they did unscrew. But there is one pocketed one hidden there somewhere. Oh, there he is right there. That one right there is part of a clip. Again, this corner had been hit once before. As I say, somebody held it in the parking lot. You can see the scratches there on it. So some of the damage was done. A couple things were broken on that side already. The only part I haven't got is this little piece right here. It has the weirdest little thing right here. I cannot figure out what the hell it is. It does not look like a star. It doesn't look like a Phillips. It's not a Torx. I'm not sure what it is. I may just have to drill them out. Maybe they're a pop rivet or something. Quite possible. So I'll just drill them out tomorrow. Get rid of them, and then I just have these little outside plastic pieces here. I need both of them off. Not that this one's in the greatest of shape, but I need both of them unclipped from here and popped out. So we'll get those off, and we'll get these off. And like I say, we'll see about getting these undone. And that's it until the new bumper comes in. We're going to get it painted, and then we'll start reassembling. Okay, we currently have the new headlight, so I'm going to start transferring all the bulbs and wiring over. Doesn't come with any of that stuff, just comes with the case. So. That looks a lot better than that. So, let's see what we can do by getting that into the car. Leave that one there just in case I need something else. Okay. The headlight, marker light. Yes, it's all working. Okay, now let's check that. Put the high beams on. High beams on. Awesome. Good. Okay. All right. So, get the headlight partially in. We got to finish a few of these screws here, and it's functioning as you saw. Everything's working good. So we got screw here, and one down here to do yet. I gotta find the parts bin. It's still around somewhere. Anyways, we'll get those in and done up, and yeah, we'll be on our way. So far, so good.
size it fit. I kept this one hidden beside my toolbox nice and smooth.
Just in case it was needed.
Well, the other one I had, and Richard used it when we were plasma art cutting.
Oh yeah.
Casually unzips body bag to reveal bumper.
What's this?
Casually unzips body bag to reveal bumper.
It looks like you do.
Honestly, it looks like it's almost better quality than the ones you see in shows and shit anyways.
What's nice is most of the shit goes in this way.
What? Hey, so, phone a friend today. We got Mitch here helping me out. He's got, these have little snap clips. The old bumper going into the new. So, see them here. Gotta get them all to snap in tight. There's a few missing from because of the original old front, but still, the majority of them are there. And we'll get some screws in where they're supposed to be, and it should hold.
This is how professionals do their job.
Some random Ford bag with a bunch of parts in it.
Professionals at work.
Yeah.
Completely under the tall front. You can't even see his head. Are you underneath it just so that your arms can reach the other side? I'm
Sorry.
always I'm always.
Oh, God.
We got the lights in now. That's what we had to modify, with those little spots. Wiring's back in, screws are back in. So now we're to kind of pick it up and put it on the front of the car. we go. Here's what we got done. It's back together. We're waiting on a couple of parts. A piece that goes in here to dress it up nicer, and one piece of chrome which is back ordered. Other than that, I've got to go to the store and get a bunch of push pins, finish snapping them together, and 2 pop rivets for little clips that you can't even see that are hidden. Other than that, it's back together and it's ready to go.